Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a cross-sell pop-up in a WooCommerce website. Instead of displaying the cross-sell product on a cart page or on the checkout page, you can try using the cross-sell pop-up, which will be displayed automatically on the cart page or on the checkout page. Let me show you an example. Here, I'm on the demo WooCommerce website and I'm going to add some products to the cart. Let's add this product to the cart. Let's add one more product and let's add one more product. Now let's go to cart. And when you go to the cart page, it is going to open the cross-sell pop-up automatically. On this pop-up, you can display the cross-sell product, or you can also display upsell product, related products, or you can also add custom products on this pop-up. And the plugin that I'm going to use is ShopLentor. This plugin has free as well as premium version. And the cross-sell pop-up feature is also available in the free version of ShopLentor Plugin. So I'm going to start with the free plugin. Later I'm going to install the pro version and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the premium plugin. This plugin is not only for adding the cross-sell pop-up on a WooCommerce website. There are many different features that you can add to your WooCommerce website. I have already published many videos on different features of ShopLentor plugin. Now in this video, we are going to see how to add a cross-sell pop-up in a WooCommerce website. Let's see how does this work. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website, and now we are going to add a cross-sell pop-up in a WooCommerce website using ShopLentor plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins, and let's go to add plugin. So let's search for ShopLentor. This is the plugin, ShopLentor all-in-one WooCommerce growth and store enhancement plugin. I have already installed and activated this plugin. If you have not installed the plugin, you will see an option to install it, install the plugin and activate it. I also have the pro version of this plugin installed. I'm going to disable the pro version for now. So let's go back to plugins. And here you will see that I have the pro version. I'm going to deactivate the pro version and we are going to start with the free version of the ShopLentor plugin. I'll show you how the cross-sell pop-up works in a free version first. So when you install this plugin, in the left hand panel, you will see ShopLentor. Let's go to ShopLentor and you will be on the dashboard of this plugin. At the top, you will see modules. Let's go to modules and you will see different modules are available in the free version of the plugin. In previous videos, I have shown you some of these modules like Shopify style checkout, variation swatches, pop-up builder, quick view, advanced coupons and abandoned carts. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. So here you will see an option, cross-sell pop-up, and next to that you will see settings button. Let's click on it, and from here you can enable this feature. So I'm going to enable it. Under general settings, you will see pop-up title and it shows you may also like. So this is the title that will be shown on the pop-up. Then we have product limit. How many products do you want to show in the pop-up? I'm going to change it to, let's say, number 3. So it is going to show 3 different products in a pop-up. With that, you will see trigger type, which is set to after add to cart. This is the only option available in the free version of this plugin. If you have pro version, there are multiple different options to trigger the pop-up. Then we have product source and it is set to cross sell. So in the free version, you can display the cross sell product. If you have pro version, then you can also display upsell product, related products, custom products, or products from different categories. In the free version, you will see only cross sales option is available. Then we have style settings. Pop-up width is set to 700 pixel. Button color, you can change the button color. According to your website requirement, you can change the button color. So I'm going to select this button color, and for the button hover color, let's try another color. Right, and click on save settings. Okay, so we have these settings. It is going to show the pop-up after add to cart, and product source will be cross sales. So let's go to the website. We are on the home page. Let's go to one of the categories, and I have one product here that is a black hoodie. If I open this product and if I go to edit product, you will see that I have added some cross-sell product for this black hoodie product. If I go to linked product, you will see that I have 3 different products as cross-sell for this product. So I'm going to add this product into the cart and we will see if the pop-up comes up. So let's go to this product page, and if I add this product to the cart, it should open a pop-up. So this is how the cross-sell pop-up will open automatically after adding the product to the cart. So these are the 3 products that I have on the pop-up. If I want to add any product into the cart, I can simply click on add to cart and that product will be added to the cart. Let's go to checkout, and on the checkout you will see both the products are added automatically. So this is how the cross sell pop-up works. Let's go back to cart. Let's delete both the products. Let's go to the home page again. Let's try adding another product. Let's try this one. We have added this product to the cart, but it has not opened any cross sell pop-up. Why? Because this product does not have any linked cross sell product. If I go to edit product and go to linked product, there are no products under cross sell. So make sure that you have some products added as cross sell so that it will be shown in a pop-up. All right, let's go back to product page. Let's go to cart and I'm going to remove the product from the cart. So these are the features available in the free version. It will show the pop-up only after adding the product to the cart, and the product source is cross sell. So it is going to show the cross sells product only. Now I do have the pro version of this plugin and I'm going to enable the pro version. So let's close it. Let's go to plugins and activate the pro version of the ShopLentor plugin. Okay, let's go back to ShopLentor and go to modules. And if you have the pro version of this plugin, you can use all these modules on your WooCommerce website. So let's go to cross sell pop-up again, go to settings, and now you will see these options are available. If I go to trigger type, you will see different trigger types are there: exit intent, time delay, scroll position, cart total, or before checkout. So I'm going to select before checkout. And for the product source, we have cross sell, upsell, related products, custom products, or product from categories. Now I'm going to select category products, and we have 3 different categories here. So I'm going to select all the categories. So it is going to display some products from different categories. Okay, then we have pop-up style settings. I'm going to keep them as it is. Now let's click on save settings. Let's go back. Let's refresh it. Let's go to the home page. Let's try adding some products. Let's try this one. Let's try this one and go to cart. Now I'm going to click on checkout. It will go to checkout and it is going to show the pop-up. So let's click on checkout and pop-up is there. On the pop-up, it is going to show products from different categories. Now if the customer wants to add the product to the cart, they can add the product to the cart, or they can click on continue to shopping and it will go to checkout page, or you can click here. Let's go to cart and delete these products from the cart. Let's try another setting. Let's go back. Let's try exit intent, and for the product source, let's try related products. Or if you want, you can also display custom products where you have some discount going on and you think that people would like to buy those products. So I'm going to select custom products and let's try adding some products here. Let's say black hoodie. Let's try bag. Let's try jeans. So these are the 3 products that I want to display on the pop-up. And for the trigger type, I'm going to change the trigger type. Let's try the cart total, and minimum cart amount is set to 100. I'm going to change it to 200. Let's save the settings. Let's go back to website. Let's refresh it. Okay, we do not have any product in the cart. Let's try adding this product to the cart. The value of this product is 150 only. It's not more than 200. Let's try adding another product. Let's go to cart. And you will see a pop-up is there. And you will see the 3 products that we added as custom products to display on the pop-up. So instead of displaying the cross-sell product on a cart page or on the checkout page, you can try using cross-sell pop-up feature in ShopLentor plugin. The price of the pro version is only $99 per year for 5 different websites. If you want, you can also try it for half a year. That will cost you only $39 for 5 different websites. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.